To get an Afterpay one-time card, start by understanding what Afterpay is. A service that allows you to pay for purchases in 4 interest-free installments. The one-time card is a virtual card that can be used to make a single purchase with Afterpay, even if the merchant does not directly accept Afterpay. First, you need to have an Afterpay account, so if you do not already have one, sign up on the Afterpay website or through their mobile app. The sign-up process requires you to provide some personal and financial information to verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. Once you have an Afterpay account, log in and navigate to the Afterpay card section. Here, you can generate a one-time card, which will be a unique 16-digit card number, along with the expiration date and security code. This information will only be used for a single transaction and cannot be reused. When you are ready to make a purchase, go to the merchant's website or physical store and select the items you want to buy. At checkout, enter the one-time card details as you would with any other credit or debit card. Make sure to choose the correct expiration date and enter the correct security code to avoid any issues with the transaction. Afterpay will then prompt you to confirm the purchase and the payment schedule, which will typically be 4 interest-free installments due every 2 weeks. Review the payment terms carefully and confirm the purchase to complete the transaction. It is essential to keep in mind that while Afterpay does not charge interest, late fees may apply if you miss a payment. Therefore, it is crucial to make timely payments and only use the one-time card for purchases that you can afford to repay according to the agreed schedule. In summary, getting an Afterpay one-time card is a straightforward process that requires an Afterpay account and generating a virtual card number. Use this card to make a purchase, confirm the payment schedule, and make timely payments to avoid any late fees. By following these steps and being mindful of your financial obligations, you can use the Afterpay one-time card to shop with flexibility and convenience.